A poop man.
A poop man. Welcome to Pebbles, Host the Chaos.
Ew.
We are making meatloaf today in a quick before Thanksgiving video. Enjoy. Vegetable soup and ground beef. 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna do that.
I'll do it.
Okay. 4 eggs. Oh wow. I like when it does that. Okay. That's enough?
No.
Garlic powder. Onion powder, tell me when.
Okay, good.
She gonna mix that real. Don't worry, it's just the thing. Okay. Add in some onions and peppers.
You gotta mix that in first before you put the breadcrumbs.
Yes.
I'll try it.
All of that good stuff. Oh man, I can't wait. Should we put bacon in it?
No.
Add in some pepper and salt, which we did. Want me to add in the Italian breadcrumbs?
I have to make sure it's all mixed up.
We needed to get 2 because we used 2 packages of that.
2 pounds.
2 pounds of hamburger. Yes, I know lots of English shit. Woo! Make it rain! It's raining breadcrumbs. Hopefully I don't drop anything. Just mix it and still gets together like a big clump of meat. I wonder how they invented meatloaf.
My mother did.
Your mother invented meatloaf. She was like, let me just throw things together because, you know, it's like the 50s. It is special. So we packed it into the bowl. After mixing it in with the breadcrumbs. And now the genius is making it thick. Catch up the sound. What kind of design are you going for? Oh, you're doing stripes? And we're gonna bake them at 350.
It's not gonna be big enough for his name.
Oh, you're trying to do his name? I see. We're gonna cook it for about an hour. And still is done. Here's his nana's trying to write his name and catch up. But it might not be long enough. Guys, soon. You see? You can see all the peppers, the onions, and the vegetable soup is in there somewhere. The condensed. I believe in you.